hour, but you just don't understand. You've been charging by the hour for your love. I'm trying to show how much I love you, still believing in romance. You're taking way too many chances with